Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to view your pay stub on Gusto. First, sign into your Gusto employee account. And once you're on the dashboard, open the pay or paycheck section. You'll see a list of your recent paychecks. Then select the paycheck you want to view. Your pay stub will open the details such as your gross pay, taxes, deduction, and net pay. And if you need a copy, use the download or print option to save it as a PDF. And if you don't see your pay stub, you need to make sure your employer has already processed payroll and published your paychecks. So that was how to view your pay stub on Gusto. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.